Alright.
Okay. Alright. Hi, I'm Kevin, and I created the BAM Creeper. And now we're going to show you how to put it together. I've done this 1,000 times, so it's easy to me. But after reflection, it is a little tough to put it together correctly. So now we're going to go and I'll show you how to do it. Now look at all your materials. Here we got the bag of wheels, as we call them, and then nuts, bolts, screws, washers. So get yourself a couple washers and nuts. You need Okay, now the way I like to do this is because the wheels have to be on the side with the name. So I just put the washer in there, drop through the holes. I like to do 2 of them at a time.
Seems a little dark.
That's okay, I can lighten it up. Okay, so you just pop the wheel on over it, get your nut on there. So we have a 3/8" wrench, box end, open end, doesn't matter. One of them will work at one point and one of them will work at the other. So, and then a screw gun in the back or just a regular Phillips screwdriver. Tighten them up, get them good and snug. I got 2 on, so let's go to the next. So now we're going to put the straps on and get your 2 clips that you'll need for one of the straps, and then start with the small end of the strap up at the top. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to run the clip through, up and through, pull it down, and make sure it's, and then bring it back, put it through, and then back through again. So that's what it'll look like after you're done. Okay? Now the bottom one. This one's a little trickier, but it's still easy. So you go up and through the back slot, come up, down through the front slot. Give yourself, put it on quite a ways up. Loop it back through. From the outside coming in, make sure everything's straight. Pull up, give yourself a loop. Bring that strap through the middle hole, middle slot. It'll be a little tricky, just be patient with it. Pull it through some. Okay, give yourself plenty of room. And then you're going to drop this through the back slot. Push it through. Do that. Pull up. And there you have it. Now your side straps are all done. Now you do the other side. Okay, now we've got the 2 shoulder straps on. Now you want to finish the chest strap or sternum strap. So that goes through the front hole, up, Back down through the back. Boom. Done. Easy as that. Unclip it. The strap's out of your way. Now the waist strap. So it's going to go through in front of the back strap, shoulder straps, and then in front of the other one. Turn around. Go inside again. Outside. Always try and make sure your straps are flat and straight. I've done it several times where they weren't. It's not fun taking it all apart again. There we go. Now you got your waist strap done. Take your pad, line the Velcro up, pop it on there, push it down, and there you go. All finished, all done. Straps on, ready to go.